Well, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this very textured stitch. It looks like an alpine stitch, but I feel it's a little bit easier. You're going to need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. So let's get started. For this stitch, begin with a slip knot, an even number of chains. Since I'm just doing a little swatch, I'm going to chain up 14. Start in the second chain from the hook and make 1 double crochet. Then in every chain down the row, you're just going to put 1 double crochet in each chain to get to the end of your row, leaving your stitch count 13. After putting 1 double crochet in each stitch, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. We're going to put a single crochet in the very first stitch. Then over the next double crochet, you're going to make a front post double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and go around that front post and make a double crochet. Then we are going to go into the next double crochet and make a back post double crochet. And we're going to repeat this down the row. So next one will be a front post, then one after that, a back post. And we are going to continue this until we have 1 stitch remaining. Alright, if you have chained the correct number of chains, you'll have a front post double crochet before your last stitch. In your last stitch, you are going to put a single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Put a single crochet in that first stitch. That is always going to stay the same. We are always going to put a single crochet in the first and last stitch of our row. Now over this first stitch from the last row, it was a front post, so it is a back post on this side. But on this side, we are going to make it a front post double crochet, and we're always, after that single crochet, we're always going to begin with a front post, then a back post. Front post, then a back post. And you're gonna repeat this down the row to your last stitch. And your last stitch is always going to be the same. It's going to be a single crochet. Alright, I have 1 stitch remaining, and my last stitch was a front post. So I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and turn my work. And in that first stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet again. And in that very first, over that very first double crochet post, a front post, then a back post. So this is going to be our repeat for every row. This is a 1 row repeat stitch. You're going to chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, make a front post double crochet in the next, a back post double crochet in the next, and then repeat that down your row till you have 1 stitch left. And in that last stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. So overall, it is a pretty easy stitch pattern, and it is a 1 row repeat, so that makes it nice and easy to remember what you're supposed to do. And if you don't know whether you're on a front post or back post, so my next one here was a front post, So I'm gonna do a back post over that one. And my next one here is a back post, so I'm gonna work a front post. So you're just alternating the stitches where you're putting them. So all front posts are going to be back posts, and all back posts are going to be front posts. So I'm at my last stitch again, make a single crochet in that last stitch, chain 1, turn your work. I'm just gonna work up a couple more rows here so that I get the length I need. This is the finished stitch. It has a very nice texture. I'm not sure if you can see the texture on camera, but it is very bumpy and squishy. This really wasn't that difficult of a stitch. If you want to make wash rags, dishcloths, or towels, or maybe even a rug, this would be the stitch I would go for. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.